It's a really cool pedal, Tonebone. It's a British overdrive tube pedal with an actual tube in it. And big problem was the switch here. This toggle switch was completely shot. If you pushed it, the lights would kind of flicker and blink, and sometimes they wouldn't work, sometimes they would. So I couldn't even tell if it was a momentary switch or a latching one. It was so broken. So I had to take it apart in here. And I figured out it was a latching type because it's got the little post inside and the spring, which fell out here. And so luckily I had an exact replacement, so I just popped that in and it works great now. This is the bypass switch, and this is 2 different settings here. And it claims it's hot British tone. Well, I don't know if this was the original tube, Ruby, made in China, 12AX7. How can you claim British tone without a British tube? So this is a Hammond made in Great Britain 12AX7. So nice upgrade now. This is going to be a really cool pedal. Let's check it out. Clean. It's the same.